Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to release the hood right by this footrest. Grab the lever right there and pull it out. Now we're going to pull up on the hood. The release is right here. You just push that up. Release the hood. Then you can grab the prop rod right here. Pull it up. And stick it right there. Here is where your underhood fuse box is located. To get this cover off, there's two little locks right here. You're going to take and push on this lock, push on this lock, and you should be able to lift up the cover. When you lift up the cover, there is a key. Let's see, the key goes in this direction. So these fuses are equal to these fuses. And these fuses down here are equal to these. There's a couple of spare fuses in here. And there's a little tool to help you remove fuses. So I'll show you. If you put the tool right on the fuse like this, and then you grab it with your two fingers, you can pull it out. And then you can see if it's blown or not. If this fuse was blown, that little U in the middle would be disconnected. There would be no connection between that little line. So this one is good. So we'll put it back in the tool. And I'm going to reinsert in the same position as it was. Sometimes this can be a little tricky. Once you get it lined up, you can push it down, just like that. You can put the tool back on like that. And then we can reinstall the cover. Close the hood. We're going to pull the prop rod out. Put it back in its holder, and drop the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.